Healthy food for colon health. Colon health is essential for overall well-being and can have a significant impact on our daily lives. The colon, also known as the large intestine, plays a crucial role in our digestive system, removing waste and absorbing nutrients from the food we eat. Poor colon health can lead to various health issues such as constipation, diarrhea, and even colon cancer. However, incorporating healthy foods into our diet can help promote a healthy colon and improve our overall digestive health. Understanding the importance of colon health. Our colon, also known as the large intestine, is a vital part of our digestive system that plays a crucial role in maintaining our overall well-being. Understanding the importance of colon health is key to taking care of our bodies and preventing various health issues. Firstly, our colon is responsible for removing waste and toxins from our bodies. When our colon is not functioning properly, waste can accumulate and lead to constipation. This can cause discomfort, bloating, and even abdominal pain. On the other hand, a healthy colon ensures regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. Secondly, our colon absorbs essential nutrients from the food we eat. If our colon is unhealthy, it may not be able to effectively absorb these nutrients, leading to deficiencies in vitamins and minerals. This can have a negative impact on our overall health and well-being. Additionally, maintaining colon health is crucial in preventing colon cancer, which is one of the most common forms of cancer. When our colon is healthy, it can effectively remove carcinogens and waste products from our body. However, poor colon health can increase the risk of developing polyps, which can eventually turn into cancerous growths. Taking care of our colon health can have a significant impact on our daily lives. By incorporating healthy habits such as a balanced diet, regular exercise, and staying hydrated, we can support our colon health and prevent various digestive issues. Tips for incorporating these foods into your diet. Incorporating nutrient-rich foods into your diet is essential for promoting colon health and reaping the benefits of improved digestive health. But how can you incorporate these foods into your daily meals? Here are some tips to help you make these foods a regular part of your diet and support a healthy colon. Firstly, try to include a variety of these foods in your meals. You don't have to eat all foods every day, but aim to include a few of them in each meal. For example, you could start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and flax seeds, have a salad with leafy greens, broccoli, and chickpeas for lunch, and enjoy a sweet potato topped with avocado for dinner. Secondly, get creative with your recipes. There are countless ways to incorporate these foods into delicious and healthy meals. You can add berries to your smoothies or yogurt, make a stir-fry with cruciferous vegetables and garlic, or bake whole wheat bread using flax seeds. Experimenting with different recipes will keep your meals exciting and help you stick to a healthy eating plan. Next, plan your meals and grocery shopping in advance. By planning your meals for the week and making a shopping list, you'll be more likely to include these nutrient-rich foods in your diet. This will also help you avoid unhealthy food choices and make healthier options readily available. Another tip is to make small changes gradually. Incorporating all 15 foods into your diet overnight can be overwhelming. Instead, start by introducing 1 or 2 foods at a time and gradually increase your intake. For example, you could start by adding leafy greens to your salads or swapping refined grains for whole grains. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. 15 healthy foods that contribute to colon health. 1. Fiber-rich fruits. These fruits not only aid in digestion and prevent constipation, but also contain essential vitamins and minerals that support overall digestive health. They contribute to a feeling of fullness, helping in weight management and preventing overeating. 2. Leafy greens. Abundant in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like calcium and magnesium. Leafy greens play a vital role in promoting gut health. They also contain various phytonutrients and antioxidants that support the body's natural detoxification processes and reduce inflammation in the colon. 3. Whole grains. These grains provide a steady source of energy and are crucial for maintaining healthy bowel movements. They also help in balancing cholesterol levels and regulating blood sugar, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. 4. Legumes. In addition to being rich in fiber and protein, Legumes contain important minerals such as iron and zinc. Their consumption has been linked to a reduced risk of colon cancer and other digestive disorders. 5. Nuts and seeds. These foods are excellent sources of healthy fats, which are essential for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. They also provide a significant amount of antioxidants, helping to protect colon cells from oxidative stress and damage. 6. Fermented foods. These foods contain live beneficial bacteria that promote a healthy balance of gut flora, improving digestion and nutrient absorption. They also support the immune system, reducing the risk of infections and inflammation in the colon. 7. Cruciferous vegetables. Apart from being rich in fiber, these vegetables contain sulfur-containing compounds that have been associated with a reduced risk of certain cancers, including colon cancer. They also support the body's natural detoxification processes, helping to eliminate harmful substances from the colon. 8. Garlic and onions. These foods have antimicrobial properties that can help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. They also contain sulfur compounds that support the body's detoxification mechanisms, contributing to a healthy colon environment. 9. Berries. Rich in antioxidants, berries help neutralize harmful free radicals and reducing inflammation in the colon. Their high fiber content aids in promoting regular bowel movements and preventing digestive issues. 10. Oily fish. The omega-3 fatty acids found in oily fish have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, reducing the risk of inflammatory conditions such as ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. They also support cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. 11. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help reduce inflammation and protect colon cells from damage. Its consumption has been linked to a reduced risk of colon cancer and other gastrointestinal disorders. 12. Green tea. The catechins in green tea have been studied for their potential anti-cancer properties, including their ability to reduce the risk of colon cancer. Green tea also promotes a healthy balance of gut bacteria, contributing to a healthy colon environment. 13. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and contains polyphenols, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Its consumption has been associated with a reduced risk of various digestive disorders and colon-related ailments. 14. Sweet potatoes. These root vegetables are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including beta-carotene and vitamin C. They support digestive health, help in regulating blood sugar levels, and provide essential nutrients for maintaining a healthy colon. 15. Probiotic supplements. These supplements contain live beneficial bacteria that can help restore the natural balance of gut flora, particularly after a course of antibiotics or during periods of digestive distress. They contribute to overall gut health and can help alleviate symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome and inflammatory bowel diseases. Incorporating a variety of these nutrient-dense foods into your diet can significantly contribute to maintaining a healthy colon and reducing the risk of various digestive disorders and colon-related diseases. Additionally, adopting a well-balanced diet, staying hydrated, managing stress levels, and regular physical activity are essential components of a holistic approach to promoting colon health and overall well-being. With a little planning, creativity, and gradual changes, you can easily make them a regular part of your meals and support a healthy colon. So why not start today and enjoy the benefits of improved colon health and overall well-being? Before you leave, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos like this.